Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good. What is that rhyme? Good evening, online children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. All right. So this is test come practice questions for you from the chapter factorization. We just discuss the first one and the second one. You'll try it by yourself. We'll see the answers and we'll continue the same procedure. All right. Yeah. So see this one. 7p minus 13q the whole squared. Okay, the heading is verify the following. Okay, which means you'll have to work the LHS. You'll have to work the LHS. And the answer you get should be the RHS. Or sometimes you may have to work the LHS, work the RHS also, and show that they have the same result. Either you work the LHS, you get some result. Then you take up the RHS, you work that. You get the same result as you got in the LHS. So when LHS is equal to RHS, you verified the equation. All right. Okay. Yeah. So here I want you to work the LHS and get this RHS as the result. Try. Same thing in the second one. I want you to take up the LHS, work the LHS, and get this as the result. Right? Expand using a minus b the whole squared. Expand using a minus b the whole squared. Navneet. Navneet.
We can add the 64 PQ and. Which one? 8 PQ. Then it's.
All right. I have nothing to explain. If you have any question, anything to be clarified, you should ask me. LHS, we've expanded using the identity A minus B the whole squared, which is A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. And then we have these two like terms, PQ, PQ. When you simplify that, you get plus 182 PQ. Don't think by mistake I've written this minus 182 PQ as plus 182 PQ. No, no, no. We have simplified this one and this one. These are like terms, not PQ, PQ. They're like terms. So when you simplify different signs, subtract and put the sign with a greater number. So you get plus 182 PQ. Now we have three terms. The first, the 49 p square is a perfect square. 169 q square is also a perfect square. So I write them as 7p the whole square and 13 q the whole square. And make the middle term 2 into a into b, 2 into 7p into 13q. When you check this, you get 182 pq. So now this is of the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which is a plus b the whole square, which is the RHS. I didn't get it. Now, Yeah, try the next one, children. I want you to do this in two ways. I want you to work, listen to me. I want you to work the LHS in two ways. One is by expanding a plus b the whole squared, a minus b the whole squared. Expand and do it. The other way is to treat this as a squared minus b squared and work it as a plus b into a minus b. Yeah. Work it as a plus b into a minus b and get the RHS 2p. Do it in both the ways.
We should
Yeah. Now we'll do the second one. Finish the first one, Navneet.
Oh, it's not. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yes,
Okay. B. LHS. Online children, I don't know if I asked you. I've shared my screen visible, right, to Hasini and Akshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
2 minutes, ma'am.
Enema 2 minutes. You want to try it by yourself? Okay, fine. All right, okay. Working, no, Hasini and Akshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next class is what is your question? You don't know how to start, is it? A plus B into A minus B. You finish that A plus B into A minus B. Then you got the answer. You should get okay. If you did A plus B into A minus B, you should. Okay, I don't know because it's. No, I don't know if it's typing, right? If there's something wrong with the question, I should work and then tell you that. Show me your book. Let me see how you work it. That is A plus B into A minus B. Very good.
3 by 7 plus 7.
Okay.
Plus 3 by 7. A and B. Here that is B. A plus B.
Children, see A squared. This is A. This is A. A squared minus this is B. B squared. This expression is A squared minus this expression is B squared. So A, when you say A, you must write this. When you say A, you must write this one. This is B. So no, we'll do this together. See here. Here. Use empty bracket. This is A plus this is B into A minus B. This is correct. Why are we using simple brackets like this? Because A has 2 terms in it. B also has 2 terms in it. A, if it's a single term, you don't need brackets like this. So A has 2 terms, B has 2 terms. So this is A plus B into A minus B. Now fill in the spaces. A. Say A and write it. Don't read anything. A plus B. Say B. B. This is B. Correct? Into, again say A and write that A. Minus B. Which is B? This is B. Write that. Next step. Open the bracket. So the square bracket is gone. 3p by 7 plus 7 by 6 plus 3p by 7 minus 7 by 6 into 3p by 7 plus 7 by 6 minus 3p by 7 minus into minus plus 7 by 6. Yeah, so here this gets cancelled.
Here 3p by 7 minus 3p.
This gets cancelled. So 3p by 7 plus 3p by 7 is
2.
3p plus 3p by 7. When you take the LCM, 3p plus 3p by 7, correct? LCM into 7 by 6 plus 7 by 6 is 7 plus 7 by 6. Correct? Correct? Let me just continue here. So this is equal to 6p by 7 into 14 by 6. Correct? 6 cancels. 7 ones are, 7 twos are 2p, which is the RHS, hence verified. Yeah, we'll do that. Yes. Who got this? You got this? You're doing the arithmetic. Okay. I don't. We're doing the working the other method. Finish that and then you can take all this.
I've got the answer in another method.
Very good.
Answer 2p is equal to 2p. And there is one we can solve that. That's not what I need. Just try to get it. Government education say one is for you can பண்ணு கரெக்டா பண்ணுவோம் காப்பி அடிச்சது காப்பி அடிச்சது ஏய் மெத்தட் இருக்கேன் புரியல மைனஸ் ஏ பிளஸ் A plus B also is equal to A plus மட்டும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பண்றேன்னா இது A plus B whole square A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square கரெக்ட் ஸ்கொயர் அது கம்மியா தனியா போட்டு சரி பண்டாவது போட்டியா இது இதையும் போட்டிருக்கேன் மைனஸ் மைனஸ் பிராக்கெட் போட்டிருக்கேன் பணம் இது வந்து பிளஸ் இது வந்து மைனஸ் இல்லை அவனுக்கு நீங்க பாடுறா A plus B whole square is equal to A plus A plus 2AB see A square plus 2AB plus B square சரியா A square minus B square என்னடா A square minus B square is not minus B square இது பாடா A square minus B square ஏன்னா இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இது மட்டும் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க அப்ப திருப்பி சொல்லணும் புரிஞ்சு போட கரெக்டா எல்லாம் போயிருக்கு இது வந்து a plus b whole square a minus b whole square கேன்சல் பண்ணலாம்ல டேய் 3p/3 கேன்சல் பண்ணலாம்ல 3p/3 கேன்சல் பண்ணு டேய் சொல்றா டேய் எந்தடா கேன்சல் இங்க 3p/3 இங்க 3p/3 வந்து டேய் கேன்சல் 3p/3 கேன்சல் பண்ணலாமா பண்ணிட்டோம் second method. Finish? No, I'm working on the second method. Got it? Yeah, okay, now stop that and listen to me. Yeah, it's time. We have to see the answer. Minus different brackets with different. Now check where you have gone wrong. Yeah, please listen to me, all of you. So now this is the other method. We're not going to look at this as a squared minus b squared. We're going to expand this and this separately. So we're going to expand this using the identity a plus b the whole squared, which is a squared plus 2 into a into b plus b squared. Okay. This is for the first bracket. A plus b the whole square. That first bracket is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Then that minus sign there. So minus. Okay. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Do we understand this? Correct? Okay. So A 3p by 7. B 7 by 6. 2 into A into B. Look at the board. 2 into A into B. Again here A, B. 2 into A into B. Now the middle term you can simplify. See here 7 and 7 cancels. Did you cancel? Yes. 2 3s are 6 and 6 gets cancelled. Okay, so here also see here 2 into 3, 6 and 6 will get cancelled. 7 and 7 cancels. Okay, now
This is 9p square by 49 plus, who's there in the bracket?
P.
P plus 49 by 36. This is in one bracket minus 9p squared by 49. Who's in the bracket? Minus p plus 49 by 36. Now,
There's a minus, we have to change this.
yeah, open the bracket. So it will be 9p square by 49 plus p plus 49 by 36 minus 9p square by 49 plus p minus 49 by 36. Cancel, 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 cancel.
And 2p. I completed.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we both replied, ma'am,
That's
we
very
didn't
fine.
cancel the. But if you cancel, then of course.
No. You see, you'll still get the answer. That's a different thing. You missed something there, right? You should have done some. Simplification is very important. You should do it like wherever it should be done, it should be done. You're carrying on with such big numbers, no?
No, ma'am, very easy only. 42, we got 42 by 42.
No, you should realize that you have to cancel.
Okay.
You will still get the answer, but you have to simplify. Wherever it's possible, you should simplify. So by verifying, we have revised identities also. All right. Completed, all of you? Online children? Okay, next one. Have you done? Okay. Okay. One minute. Yeah, this is the next question. On a special week day, on a special week road safety drive, a city's traffic police challenged the vehicles for various offenses. Like red light jumping. Okay, you trespass the signal. There's red light, you're supposed to stop, but you jump it. So red light jumping, driving without helmet, and some mistake in the spelling. So, okay, various offenses like red light jumping, okay, then driving without helmet, and drunken driving. You're drunk and you're driving. So for these three offenses, the number of these offenses on a particular day of the week is the number of offenses. Okay, so there are three different offenses here mentioned, right? Red light jumping, driving without a helmet, and the person is drunk and is driving the vehicle. So under these three, offenses, the number of cases registered are x plus 2 for the first one, x squared plus 5x plus 6 for the second one, and x plus 3 for the third one. Like the police has caught some 10 people jumping the signal. some 20 people driving without the helmet, and maybe some five, who are drunk and driving the vehicle. So instead of giving numbers, expressions are given to you. Now we'll have to answer these questions. What is the factorized form of this one? Okay, then, yeah, I think the questions are simple. Yes. Please try. Which one? For B, yeah? Huh?
You have to divide it.
Correct, but not the long division. Sum.
Then we have to use x square plus 5x minus 6 by x plus 3. Okay.
Minus 5x plus. Adam.
Okay. Correct one question.
You've already factorized, right? So you'll have to take that. Okay.
Ma'am, for D sum it is x plus 3.
What?
D sum it is x plus 3.
Oh, x plus 3. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. By mistake. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. I like that. Thank you. X plus 3. What x plus 2 or lot of mistakes in the spelling. So why do you think? Okay. So why do you think it's dangerous to drink and drive? Is the question there. Okay. Why do you think it's dangerous to drink and drive? There's no. Yeah. Because it's not only dangerous for the driver, but also for the other, people on the road. The person will not have control over the vehicle. When the person is drunk, the person has no control over the vehicle.
It will affect the society.
Yeah, correct.
Or you might be dead. And it can get cancer. It's from that's okay. So it can damage the internal parts of the body. We are asking why we should not do which offense was mainly okay. The person is not mentally stable and hence cannot drive. Very easy. Yeah. It's not only dangerous for the driver, also the society. English class. Civics that question, which sentence was mainly laws that must be strictly followed. It's open to mainly talent. Option A. Garnished by. Option B. Download by.
Yeah.
Option A.
Which one was, which offense was mainly challenged?
A. C.
Why do you think A?
But because the one way will go, by that time we cross, they get confused why this person is crossing when red light is on. They get crashed. I mean, it's a four-way. One side they will allow, one side they will stop. And if the person goes, the person in the opposite way get confused.
Okay. See, the most challenge is. No, see here. Which of these? 1 minute. Now, these are the number of, like people caught in committing one of these offenses, right? So these are all positive numbers, right? Because it cannot be negative. So these are all positive. Up in the positive numbers, the greatest.
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is the product of this and okay, so the
Value of x square plus 5x.
please wait. So this one is the product of this and this, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So maximum number of cases are caught here. That is maximum number of people challenged were those driving without helmet. Because among these three expressions, this expression has the greatest value. Because what is this? This is, see, like this is 3, this is 5, this is 3 into 5, 15. Because these are the two factors of this expression. What is x squared plus 5x plus 6? It is x plus 2 into x plus 3. X plus 2 into x plus 3 is x squared plus 5x plus 6. So most number of offenses were in this area. People driving without the helmet. Okay. This is over, all of you? Yes. Now need to sit properly. Take the table closer to you. See, எழுதாம பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம் உட்காந்து. நீ எழுதிட்டியா? No, in the D&E.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't see English there. Oh, see, he's written.
I mean, written all words.
எழுதிருக்கான். Have you written?
Do I written before bro?
Okay. Next one. Yeah. This isn't long division, children. This isn't long division. Don't do long division. Something else. Try. Yeah. Please try. Got the division? Hasini, finish the division. Akshita? No. Okay. Yeah, I want to see how you've tried. Navneet, pass your book. Give it to him. Give it to him.
Minus minus the express.
Do this.
And is that correct?
Oh, you did.
Correct. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Oh, correct. I'm going to check. X plus this correct.
No, it's right, but not completely. Ah, he's right.
Correct fully.
Fully correct. Yes. Varum sure. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் continue பண்ணணும். Very good. Very good.
For this also we can use a square minus b square.
No, you're right, but not as. You're right. You're right.
Ma'am, we can.
Yours, the new this part was correct. This part was not.
Ma'am, we have to use.
No, no, no.
Ma'am, what is we have to use a square minus b square.
Again, yeah, correct.
Again,
Give me a book. You're still trying? Okay. Navneet, give me a book. See, that numerator is okay. The denominator, what have you done?
I got the answer, ma'am. X minus 2 only.
Very good.
Those chips are
See, getting annoyed is not going to help you. So see, it's so beautiful. Everything is given. Identity has everything in it. You don't know how to use identity. See, x to the power 4 minus 16 divided by x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x plus 8. Why did you change this? Why did you write this in the numerator and this in the denominator, Navneet? I don't know how many of you have done that. Excuse me, see here, you too. I don't know. I think you've written this in, you've exchanged the numerator and denominator, I think. The factorizing part is right, but this is what is given, right? Yeah. How many terms in the numerator? 2 terms. And there's a minus sign here. So it looks like a squared minus b squared, right? So write it in the form a squared minus b squared, a squared minus b squared. That's what we have to do in the numerator. In the denominator, we have 4 terms. So we'll just see if we can group. So we're going to group these 2 terms and these 2 terms. So what's the HCF of the first 2 terms? X squared, open bracket, x plus 2. Then this sign plus, you should write the plus sign. Plus 4 into x is 4x plus 4 2s are 8. This is the denominator. Now fill here x square and 4. Next step, what should you do in the denominator? You must write x plus 2 once. And then you must write x squared plus 4 in the other bracket. Correct? Finished. Now, the denominator is factorized. In the numerator, it's in the form a squared minus b squared. What is your a? What is a?
X.
You're not answering anything, Navneet. Harini, what is B? 4. Now tell me what is A plus B?
X squared plus.
Harini, what is A minus B? Okay. Now can you cancel something, Harini? What? Yeah, now tell me the numerator again is of the form A squared minus B squared. How do you write it in that form? A squared minus B squared. What will come in the bracket?
X.
And here? 2 in the denominator? First. That's very simple, no? So we just write it as it is, x plus 2 as it is. Nothing can be done with that. Continue. Is equal to now A squared minus B squared is what? What is A? X. What's B? What is A squared minus B squared? Yeah.
A plus 2 into X minus.
Why, Harini? See, that's all. No, A is X and B is 2. A squared minus B squared is A plus B into A minus B. So X plus 2 into X minus 2 by X plus 2 cancels. X minus 2 is the result. What is difficult in this? Right? Work this 5 times, Nami. And you also didn't get this right. Work it 5 times. You did it right, but then numerator, denominator, mathita. Work it again neatly. You also cancelled incorrectly. You work it 3 times. You work it 5 times. Harini and Navneet 5 times. You 3 times. You once. Do it. Online children, please practice the same thing. Please work and repeat if you have not got it. Meaning if you didn't do it right. How many times, huh? Okay. Now, if the quotient of the above division is the area of a rectangle, what's the quotient? X minus 2 is the quotient. If this is the area of a rectangle, x minus 2 is the area of a rectangle, then find the possible length and breadth of the rectangle. So, if the length is, see, this is the area. I'll take another slide. What is the quotient in the above division process? What is the quotient? X minus 2 is the quotient. What is given? If the quotient of the above division is the area of a rectangle. So, area of rectangle is equal to that quotient. What is the quotient? X minus 2. So, that means L into B is equal to X minus 2, correct? So, what are the possible dimensions? So, if just make a table like this, length and breadth. If length is X minus 2, then breadth has to be 1 unit only. If length is X minus 2 units, then breadth is 1 unit because L into B should give you that area, X minus 2. If breadth is 1 unit, then the length is X minus 2 units. This is the answer. அதாவது என்னன்னா ஓகே இப்போ வந்து ஏரியா வந்து 15 சென்டிமீட்டர் ஸ்கொயர்னு இருக்கு. சப்போசிங் த ஏரியா 15 சென்டிமீட்டர் ஸ்கொயர். அப்ப what are the possible dimensions for length and breadth கேட்டாக்க ignoring fractions எல்லாம் நிறைய காம்பினேஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஃப்ராக்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் டெசிமல் ஃப்ராக்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் நிறைய வரும். பட் just natural numbers என்ன காம்பினேஷன்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா if the length is 5, the breadth is 3. If the length is 3, the breadth is 5. Or if this is 1, this is 15. If this is 15, this is 1. And only natural numbers. We are not taking fractions and all that. You can give many answers for length and breadth. Okay, but we are considering only natural numbers. Correct? Natural numbers is if the length is 5, the breadth is 3. Or if the length is 3, the breadth is 5. Or the length is 1, breadth is 15. Length is 15, the breadth is 1. Because everywhere the product is 15. 5 3s are 15. 3 5s are 15. 1 into 5 is 15. 15 into 1 is 15. Inga what is the area? X minus 2. X minus 2 now what into X? 1 into X minus 2 is X minus 2. So if the breadth is 1 unit, length is X minus 2 units and the other way around. That's all.
You are confusing your mind for this one.
See, sometimes if the numerator, supposing it was X minus 2 into X plus 3. Okay, then you must say, if this is the length, this is the breadth. Or if this is the length, this is the breadth. If X minus 2 is the length, then X plus 3 is the breadth. If X plus 3 is the breadth, okay, see, if this was the answer, then you can write length, breadth. If X minus 2 is the length, X plus 3 is the breadth. If X plus 3 is the length, then X minus 2 is the breadth. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. Completed? Here, all of you? Okay, next one. Yeah, you don't have to do everything. Work this,
Make long ways.
work this, and this.
Make long ways.
Hmm. Sorry. Drink water, Navneet.
We have to do in factorizing method division or long method division.
Under the corner, they'll specify, divide using long division to find the quotient and remainder. It'll be mentioned for you. And moreover, when you have, see, like, look at these things, like it's something into something into something. And if this is the quotient, how will you do the long division? Not possible to do the long division.
And for atheism, we can do.
For which one?
Eighth.
For the eighth one, you can do. You'll get the same answer. Answer will be the same, even if you do the long division. Correct. Very good. Eighth one, you can do the long division. You can also do this factorizing and dividing. This method is dividing by factorizing.
Anything we can do, but in the same.
Yes, you will get the same thing. But for certain questions, you cannot do the long division. Yeah, finish the sixth one. Harini. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Let me see your book. You said you're almost done. How you started? You've not done anything actually. Give me a book. Give then fast. I want to look. It's an article, right?
And it's simplifying this kind.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು simplify பண்ணலையே இல்ல அதாவது ஆல்ஜிபிரிக்லி எதுவும் ஐடென்டிட்டிஸ் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணி எதுவும் சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணலன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க கேன்சலிங் பண்ணிருக்கேன் Yeah, you're right, but
yes, no, I know.
no, you're right. Correct. Okay, every time I scold you, then the next time you'll do it correctly. Okay. No, listen, but listen here. Please stop writing. Listen to me. So you can cancel no 16 tables. 16 threes are 16 fours are correct. Or in tables of 4 and then 4 again. Okay. 16 threes are 16 fours are. All right. So now 4xyz. Okay. Now here 2 is common. So into 2x minus 5. Is this correct? You cannot put a plus sign. No. You cannot put plus into 2 is common. So in the bracket you will get x minus 5. Again into what's common? 3. In the bracket you will get y minus 4. 3y and 3 into y is 3y. 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. Divided by what is in the denominator? 3x minus 5 and y minus 4. Now children see that in the numerator it's a product throughout. 4 into x into y into z into 2 into x minus 5 into 3 into y minus 4. It's a product. You can cancel y minus 4 and y minus 4. X minus 5, x minus 5. 3 and 3 you can cancel. 8 x, y, z is the answer. That's all.
Can we do the reason?
Yeah. I marked 6 and then 8, right?
Yeah.
8 and 10. Okay. See, do the next one. Let that be. Sorry. Yeah.
And the Tigma 8 one, 8 one, no, 7th one. 7th one. Oh, 7.
I'd marked 6, 7, and 10, right? 9.
No, not like that. Ratio is continuously space. You will do just for go create a song. Hey, this is I want to have your name. Number of relations. This is so what is this about multiplication? This is talking multiplication. A square minus B square plus A plus B into A minus B and identity is connected and something the except all the two and whole square two and whole square and square. Why are you guys always talking that? Okay. Well, identity Sorry, okay. 4 and square. 4 and 4 square again. That's A square. A and A of the value of A plus upgrade value of A. Next What's your பாவம் பண்ணு அதான் seventh one finished, ma'am.
Finish the seventh one?
Yes, maybe some answers.
No, I don't have the answers for this. I have to work. Hmm? No.
So it was on.
Oh. Okay. 18 ln 4m square minus 9n square. This one, right? Divided by 3 lm 2m minus 3n. L, L, M, M. Correct. Look at the board. Okay. 3 Harini, 3, 1, 3, 6 are 18. Okay. Now this is of the form a squared minus b squared. A the whole squared minus b the whole squared. Divided by, nothing can be done with 2m minus 3n. Let's write it as it is. Now what in the first space?
2m.
2m. Here?
3m.
3n. So what is a, Harini? What is a? B? Yeah, so what's the numerator? What is a squared minus b squared? Divided by?
6 is about 6.
Oh, yeah, 6. Oh, then you should use a square bracket. If this is 6, then now next step you can remove that. Yeah. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now 2m minus 3n, 2m minus 3n. So it is 6 into 2m plus 3n.
Which is 12m plus.
Yeah, you can leave it like this.
Ma'am, this guy literally wrote 4m, ma'am. He didn't write that. He didn't write 2m. He wrote 4m. And he has spoken about get the C that the my answer and then C literally is trying to change the answer I wanted. This is writing fine. Three cancel cancel.
Yeah, try the next one.
First one, right? And confused completed, ma'am.
Yeah.
Four step answer. Easy steps. Answer 2x plus 1 is 6 minus 2.
You finished the ninth one, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Okay. If you finished the ninth one, then you can. Okay, you can try this one. That's all in this set of questions. Try this one. 2.
Why there? I asked the WHY. WHY. You said is it correct? WHY. You think it is necessary life. We have their life. We don't go to life, their life. That's all. It's not fighting. There is a lot of fighting. Yeah, we know. One entry. Now, fight you, there is something to deliver. It's like a little bit of being Splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. The middle term. If they are two common factors,
Yeah, correct. Okay.
okay, you want white. Who? Oh, why square? Why square? You don't know anything in space. It's
All right. So 22. Okay, we can cancel. No, 11 ones are 11 twos are. Then 2. Okay, see here. So 2 into what's common? Y squared. So y squared minus 5y minus 24 divided by y into y minus 8. Don't multiply. Don't multiply y into y squared. Don't do that. Now you can cancel this y and this one. So you'll have one y left there. So it is 2y and split the middle term. 3 into 8 is 24. Okay, so I've told you, write the tables which give you product 24. What is it? 1 into 24 is 24. 2 into 12. 3 into 8. 4 into 6. 5, no, 6 fours are. So you should stop. But you should get some 5. So here only you will get some 5. In the others you will not get. So the two numbers are 3 and 8. Now fix the sign. So it will be minus 8 and plus 3. Which will give you sum minus 5 and product minus 24. Prioritize? Yeah, take out the common factor, no? Y square. Y square minus 8y plus 3y minus 24. In the denominator, y minus 8, you just have to write it as it is. 2y, what's common now? Y into y minus 8 plus 3 into y minus 8 over
and 2y plus 2y into y plus 3.
2y into, yeah, y plus 3 into y minus 8 divided by y minus 8. So the answer is 2y into y plus 3. Did you get this, Navneet? You didn't get this. Where did you go wrong then?
I directly with the method.
Then splitting the middle term?
No, I didn't.
Then how did you get, meaning how did you proceed?
I cancelled it. Minus 8 instead.
Minus 8 and minus 24.
Yeah.
Do you do that because you feel it is right, or do you do that because what else to do? So let me just cancel. You thought you were right. Oh. Now just ask yourself this question. Supposing you have, see, when you're doing that, now ask yourself this question. Supposing you have 3, okay, let me do another slide, 1 minute. Wait. See, now tell me, if you have 14 minus 16 plus 3 minus 7 by 21 plus 8 minus 15, how will you do this? Will you cancel 7 twos are 7 threes are 16 and 8, 8 ones are 8 twos are, and 3 and will you cancel? No, you will not cancel when there's plus minus. You will not cancel. You will 14 minus 16 plus 3 minus 7, you will get the answer. 21 plus 8 minus 15, you will get the answer. And then if possible, you will simplify. But think of this, if you had 14 into 16 into 3 into 7 divided by 21 into 8 into 15, then will you cancel?
Yeah.
How you will cancel? For this and this and this, you can cancel. Oh, it's high time you realize that. It's too late. If you're still making that mistake, then you're in trouble. That you should have registered by now. We have come to the end of factorization and you're doing that mistake now. No practice, however. Lack of practice. Lack of focus in the class. Giggling, talking. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm just coming to this. Completed all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshita and Hasini, show a thumbs up if things are clear and you have no doubts. Okay. Okay. All right. All right then, children. That's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Online children, you can leave the call. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hey, let's be 5 minutes.